Hey, welcome back to the shop. I got myself, I have an Revo 1836 Laguna, and I was looking for a vacuum pump or anyways, I bought the Laguna vacuum system, which it works with a compressor. You can also use it with a pump without this box. If that's the case, all you need is this adapter that comes with the kit. They sell this separate, but the price, it was like $260 for the whole kit and $220 for this stupid thing alone, which I actually contacted them and they told me that they made a mistake and they will fix it and eventually, and that the pricing is wrong, but I just bought the whole thing because I'm not paying $220 for this stupid thing. But let's see. My question was, well, I still have the question. If we're gonna find out together, you know, if you can use it, what size compressor you need. So I also bought a Hope deep hollowing system, which I'm gonna be putting together and reviewing soon. If you're interested in that. But right now, let's deal with this. I just turned this bowl, and I got it ready to do the bottom. So this is the box. There's like 4 bolts, 2 that are screwed to a bracket from the bottom of this, and 2 that screw right into the lathe. And you're supposed to screw this guy comes already with Teflon. Has an O-ring at the back there, but I don't see it going all the way in, but we'll try anyways. Because I definitely don't have a thing this big. Well, let me see if I can lock the spindle. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fun. Where am I lacking? Anyways, I'm just gonna try it there, see if it leaks or not. This hose goes in here. Just turn this guy on, see if actually. Just set the whole thing up. So you also need an adapter here, which I bought the Holdfast, and I also bought that reverse chuck adapter. I'm gonna change the seal for this one. Guy a good squeeze. Okay. Well, it seems to be working and not leaking. So let's give that a shot. This guy. this will help me align the bowl. I didn't know what this was. I was panicking. I'm like, what is it? So, turn this on. All right, hopefully it won't fly out. I think it's too much pressure. Well, I'm gonna have to fix this little cuts that I got here. Man, I did it good. Hopefully I have enough. I don't go to the bottom. Oh. Okay. Well, I didn't do an awesome job of this, but compressor's holding up. Let me turn this off. Look at all the humidity that picked up. So yeah, this is, I believe, 3 or 3.5 inch hold fast. I also got the 6-inch one, and there are no videos explaining any of this. I think this was way too much pressure on this, but there is a pressure regulator right here. I just don't know right now what the right amount is, but what I mainly wanted to find out is, first of all, does it work? And I mean, the compressor ran the whole time, but it didn't really, it didn't go down in pressure a lot, and seems pretty warm. My concern is that if you have a small compressor, more than likely will have like an automatic shut off if it gets too hot. And how long can you run it before, if that thing goes off while you're working, your pieces kind of fly off the handle. So I don't know. I didn't have a compressor, so I thought, I killed two birds with one stone type of deal. But in the future, I might get an actual pump, maybe a one-way, because I do have another lathe, so, and that way I can do it both. When I got this, it also came with an adapter similar to this one, but it doesn't reach all the way. But I can use it on that lathe. But anyways, that's the Laguna vacuum inverter. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave me a comment, and by the time YouTube decides to show this video to you, it might be way later, and I might have way more experience. So ask away and I shall answer. Other than that, you take it easy, keep turning, and I'll see you soon.